David Birnbaum, born April 8, 1956, is a Canadian politician, activist, and former journalist. Birnbaum was elected to the National Assembly of Quebec in the 2014 election. He represents the electoral district of Darcy-McGee as a member of the Quebec Liberal Party. He is currently the Parliamentary Assistant to the Minister of Education and Higher Education and was formerly the Parliamentary Assistant to the Premier. He sits on the Committee on Culture and Education and the Committee on Citizen Relations. Biography. Birnbaum was born in Montreal, Quebec. He is a former journalist at the Gazette and communications officer at the Old Protestant School Board of Greater Montreal, Centraide Montreal board member and longtime Big Brother. Birnbaum held the position of Executive Director of the Quebec English School Boards Association from 2004 to 2014, Executive Director of Canadian Jewish Congress Quebec Region from 1998 to 2004, Executive Director of Alliance Quebec from 1990 to 1998. In those capacities, he strived to promote and defend minority concerns while strengthening relationships with Quebec's Francophone majority community. He and his wife have 2 children, Vincent and Zoe. See also: Darcy-McGee, Quebec Liberal Party. References